Let's check out Cysic. I want to run a node through Nodes.Garden in order to get the incentives that come out of this crazy interesting project. It's been funded to the tune of $18 million, so there's a lot in the wings here of potential earnings as somebody running a node that I could take advantage of. So I'm going to go through Nodes.Garden and show you really quickly how to get started. First, let's hop over to Nodes.Garden and create an account. Once we've done that, we need to make sure that we have funded our account. So we're going to hit the deposit button and we're going to decide the amount that we need to deposit. I'm going to put down 15, hit deposit. Next, we can send over any type of crypto that's listed here by chain. And on some of these chains, you can select the different types of currency and tokens, switch network, and then I can hit pay. You can also pay by card. You just have to go through KYC. Next, I need to select the node and purchase. So I'm going to scroll all the way down and find Cysic. There we are. Open it up, and I'm going to scroll down to the bottom and put in my fancy coupon code Clint in order to get a 15% discount. Hit purchase and then hit OK. Great, I've purchased. It's in queue status, so I'm hoping that that's going to happen in the next 72 hours, but it's now just the waiting game. When it's ready, you'll get a notification up here, but you can also go into nodes, and I can see that it goes from queued to processing to online. It's very quick. Once we click into that specific node, we're given our node data, and we will set up a unique wallet specific for that node. So let's get started. First, we're going to reveal our node data, and we are going to propagate or set up a wallet with the node data that's given. So I am going to copy my seed phrase here. Copy. Next, I'm going to use this secret passphrase to generate a new wallet on MetaMask. You can use any EVM wallet you want. Now, inside of MetaMask, I want to create a new wallet. So I'm going to add an account or hardware wallets, and I am doing secret recovery phrase, and I am pasting that information in, import wallet. That wallet is now imported. Fantastic. Next, I'm going to the referral link that I've provided, and I want to sign in. I'm signing in using my new wallet, so I need to make sure that that one is selected. Account 3, that's perfect. I'm even going to rename it so that I'm absolutely certain which one is which. So account details, Cysic. Connect. Great, I'm in. Going to claim some gas just for fun. Next, I want to make sure that I am pairing my social accounts so that I'm registered properly. So I'm going to bind Gmail, bind X, and bind Discord. My email's connected. Now I want to bind my X account. If I want, I can give my profile a name. Profile updated. Quickly connect my Keplr wallet. Download. Can add to Chrome. Connect to Keplr. Approve. Cool. So the last thing I need to do is make sure that my node is actually running. So if I click on Verifier, right now the only thing that I'll see is this little green dot that says, yep, it's standard and active. I will go in and continue to complete the social tasks to make sure that I'm all set. But this is what you need to do in order to run your Cysic node on Nodes.Garden and complete all of the work that needs to be done in order to make it live.